Actually, he's rather a confident position. Kind of sober. Well, I can see that's never. No trouble getting off on that. Trouble?
Hi guys! Meron akong binili na things dito. Okay guys. Dun, 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 dun. So guys, gina-giveaways ko to guys. So eto guys, kung tanan like ka mo hasta mga like ka mo and subscribe, dapat ang subscribers ko dapat 1K na ha. If hindi na 1K, hindi ko na ihatag award sa inyo. Okay? At ito, dapat ma 2K. Okay? And eto, dapat ma 100 lang. And eto, mga 200 lang. 200 ang subscribers sa tanan. Okay? Gets yun niya. So, eto, itong mga, ano to, 109 pesos. And plus this is 99. And this kind of things is like I don't know what's the price, and this is like just I don't know what's the price because my mom just bought it. Okay, so hindi ko mabubuksan. Hindi ko mabubuksan. Kaya prank ba to? Hoy. Ay, ito pala. Open ko lang to next vlog. Okay guys, get ready na kayo sa popcorn. Ah! Okay guys, bye bye. Wait lang kayo ha.